This is going to be a video product review of the SKL resistant band set for exercise. It is a fabric band. There's no latex in this at all. It is scent-free. It is made out of TPE. It is powder-free. You don't have to worry about the latex irritation if you have an allergy to it. Now, when you're looking at this, you think, wow, how many different sets did you buy? This all comes as one set. It comes with 3 different resistances for hip trainers. It comes with instructions and a list of exercises, so you can see all the different things you can do for your hip exercise. And since we can't go in the gym anymore because of what's going on, this is the way to be doing your exercise at home. It comes with a little carrying case for the hip trainers, and it comes with 4 exercise bands. Not only do you get the hip trainer, but you get the exercise bands. I want to show you, look at the length of these. Normally you get maybe 6 inches or a foot for an exercise band. No, these are very long. So let me show you how this works right now. I will be leaving an affiliate link in the video description. Make sure you click on it. You can order this today. For the exercise band, I'm going to put it under my foot, and then I can work. Oh my God, does this feel wonderful? You know, you do this for a couple seconds. I'm feeling it already. You do this for a few seconds and it feels like you're in the gym, but you're not spending $300 a year to be able to do that. You can do this in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to wear a mask. You're safe. Okay, so you can do that. My favorite exercise, I love to do this while I'm sitting watching the TV or just sitting in a chair. This is my favorite. I love. It's like the butterfly when you're at the gym and you get to work. I'm feeling this right now, just doing this on the video. I'm feeling it in my upper back and my shoulders. And when you watch this, you can see that these bands simulate most of the exercises you're going to do in the gym on a weight machine. And there's just so many different things you can do. You can work the forearms in the comfort of your own home. And if you don't like the resistance, if you want a little bit more resistance, you just add a second band, whichever band you want to be able to give you the resistance you need. So I've got 2 bands. Oh my God, does that feel good? This feels like being on a bench and doing the bench press with the weights. I'm feeling this in my forearms right now, right over here. So for a very reasonable price, you have a gym. You can do this when you're visiting friends, when you're in the backyard, when you're in the house, when you're watching TV. Let me show you the hip trainers. These are the hip trainers used to exercise your abductors. You can work the muscles on the outside and the inside depending on what position you get into. So there's different exercises as I showed you. You're going to feel this in a few seconds, just like you were going to feel it if you start using the bands that I just showed you. You're going to build up the muscles in the thighs, in the hip area. You're going to firm your buttocks area. There are many different things you can do. You can stand and pull this leg out, and you are going to feel it in here. This is a wonderful product made by SKL. The price is absolutely unbelievable. You're going to look at this and say, this must be 2 different orders. No. The hip trainers and the 4 bands. Remember, these are latex-free, so you're not going to have irritation or itching when you use these. It comes with a carrying case. It comes with a carrying case for the hip trainer. And make sure you order this. This is the perfect time to be exercising at home so we can all stay healthy and strong.